How's it going? Steve Greer here in Mini Worlds. It's Back to the Future Day. Wanted to show off these bad boys. I got a story about these mags, and you know, back in the day, probably 6 years ago, my buddy's like, hey man, can you get me a pair of mags? I got 7K. And went to a SneakerCon and actually ended up picking these up for him. One of my buddies from Tucson, he still has them. They're worth like 15 grand now, so he owes me a little bump, I think. But for Back to the Future Day, we decided to create a box, a custom box for him. He's a good friend of mine. His birthday was last month, so we laser engraved it. You'll see that in this video.
So when I found out that we were gonna get our hands on a pair of mags, obviously I was super stoked. Anybody who knows that sneaker knows that it's like one of the holy grails of all sneakers. So with the Back to the Future reference, I really wanted to do something really special with this display case and just go all out. So we slapped a DeLorean on there and we repurposed the Back to the Future like logo to say Air Mags with the Nike symbol, so that this thing can really pop when it's on that display case.
And really, this is just a tribute to Back to the Future Day and everything that this shoe means to sneaker culture, and it's really one of a kind. I know they have some new ones coming out that look pretty cool, the low tops. So really, that's gonna be it. I just wanted to share my story with you guys in Mini Worlds. Make sure you follow miniworlds.az. Peace out.